Today's for sale by owner tip. Now, are you working with for sale by owners? What's the market? What's the strategy? Now, most agents today approach it either from a fear approach or just a total lie. I mean, you've heard them. I hope you realize that you won't make as much money, ... Or you're gonna list in 30 days anyway, why not, ... Or I have this buyer, can I just stop by, ... You know, now why not try this approach instead? Hi, this is Melvin. I'm an agent, but I'm not calling to ask you about listing your home, and I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you I have a buyer. You know, I'm sure you've heard that all the time. You know, I actually work in the area, I focus on this area, and I would like to do a quick walk through your property just so I know what's available for my clients. Doesn't that sound better? Why not approach for sale by owners with a system and a helpful attitude? If you do, you will get results. Would you like to know more about a for sale by owner system? Give me a call.